So for this tutorial, we're going to look at how you're going to sign in for every class. So for this step here, you're going to click on Classwork, and you're going to go down to Lesson Sign In. You'll click on this little link here, and this will bring up a little Google form, which you will click on. Here you will fill in your surname, then your first name, then the date, then click on the period and submit this form. Then go back to your Google Classroom. So for this section, you'll go to Unit Resource, click on the link here. You'll come up and you'll see View Assignment. So click on this link. Unfortunately, my view is not the same as yours, so yours will take you to this link, and in the right hand corner underneath your work you will click on this, and this will take you to your online workbook. So now we're going to begin looking at the task. So today we're going to acknowledge how art elements are used in artworks. So up the top here you can see it says use video, so we can do this by going over to Classwork, looking at video tutorials, but today we're already using the video, so no need. Also have the written instructions here if the video is a bit too fast paced for you. So for the first step, we're going to go back to our online workbook. We're going to click on the PowerPoint link Art Elements and open up the PowerPoint. Now we're just going to take a couple of minutes to browse through, reading the definitions of what each art element is and understanding how we use each art element. So for the next step, we're just going to highlight the definition and press Command C. So for the example, I'm going to be filling in form on the table. So in the definition column, I'm going to click my mouse and then I'm going to press Command V. This will then paste it into my box, which I am then just going to tidy up a bit so it's nice and easy to read. So the next step, we're just going to put 2 or 3 descriptive words. So here I can see that the forms in these images in the presentation are 3-dimensional. So I'm going to write 3-dimensional, and then afterwards I'm just going to write the art element. So here I have 3-dimensional form. If I go back to my presentation again, we can then see another form here, and I'd say that's quite abstract. It's quite random. So I'm going to write abstract and then followed by the element form. And last of all, go back to the presentation, see that deer there. It's quite a muscular animal, so I'm going to write muscular form. So this is how you can use these images to help you come up with 3 descriptive words. So for the final step, I'm going to be looking at collecting an artwork to post on my table. So we're going to do this by going back to our lesson instructions, clicking on this link here. This is going to take us to a page that has about 10 or 12 different artists. So for each element, you're going to pick an artwork from one of these artists. So what you're going to do, scroll through, see the ones you like. So I decided for form, I think this artist is great. So go to their website or Instagram by clicking on the link. Got a bit of buffering there, sorry guys. So the next step, all you have to do is find an image that is using the element you are looking for. Right click, copy, go back to your table, and we're just going to paste the image here and now you just have to resize it to fit in the column where you paste your example. The next step and final step is going to get a little bit of information. So all we need up the top here, the web address, copy that and we paste it in this box here. So that lets me know where you found the image. And last of all, we're just going to write the artist's name. So what we've just done here is all you have to do for every element shown. That's all. Enjoy, guys.